Hello, my name is Nikhil Jain and I'm the Director of Product Line Management at Brooks, and I'm so excited to bring to you the new Adrenaline GTS 24. The Adrenaline GTS is loved by so many runners all over the world for its reliable support, and with this version we bring that same reliable support as well as a new DNA Loft nitrogen injected foam. That is going to feel lighter, more responsive, and have a more seamless transition underfoot. The outsole has a little bit more carved away so that it feels lighter and provides that smooth transition. The upper continues to have these plush, soft materials as well as some of these sophisticated suede overlays on the shoe. And then on the medial side, you have that go-to support technology for that reliable support. So whether you've been running in the shoe for decades or this is the first time that you're trying on the new Adrenaline GTS 24, we know that you're going to really enjoy the running experience.
Hi, my name is Jessie Peterson and I'm the Senior Product Line Manager here at Saucony, and today we're going to be talking about the Axon 2. The Axon 2 was really designed with one thing in mind. We wanted to create an amazing running experience all at $100. This price point is a price point that we know is a great entry-level price point for a lot of runners. So maybe someone coming into the store or coming to the website and saying, I don't have $150 to spend on a running shoe, but I expect a great experience nonetheless. In order to do that, we do have a full bed of Power Run foam underfoot. So we are going to be at 35 in the heel area and 31 in the forefoot area, giving us a nice 4mm drop from heel to toe, allowing the runner to smoothly kind of go through their gait cycle. The outsole is going to have a nice bed of rubber, so it's going to protect the Power Run foam both in the high abrasion areas. I'm really going to give this product a great durable experience. In the upper, we have a mesh pattern that is both breathable and constructed in a way that's going to create some durability, especially in those high abrasion areas. And overall, this lacing system is going to allow the runner to really yank the laces nice and tight without getting any lace bite. So it's going to give you that really locked down experience. Another major focus for us was overall comfort. So we do have a nice amount of foam in the heel area that's going to give the runner that aha moment when they step into this product. And overall, we were just looking to surprise and delight the runner here at $100, giving them a great running experience regardless of price. This is the Axon 2, and we can't wait for you guys to get it on foot.
I'm Kaylee, and here's the new Adrenaline GTS 25. We really wanted to build the best possible Adrenaline for this shoe's 25th anniversary, and I think we did it. It's the newest version of our best-selling shoe, great for anyone seeking support and comfort. We added more nitrogen-infused cushioning for a soft and dynamic ride. It's a culmination of our historic knowledge on how to build the best shoe, coupled with changes from runners' feedback. The supportiveness of the shoe comes from our built-in guide rails technology. It supports your natural motion path while helping to keep excess motion in check. On top, there's a breathable mesh upper and flat knit collar for comfort and structure to help accommodate your movement. The Adrenaline is a smooth, reliable, and supportive shoe, great for running, walking, or anything in between. Check it out!
Let me put you guys on real quick. These are the Anta PG7. I've been running in them for about a week now, and they quickly become my new daily trainers. They're super plush, comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and not to mention the unbeatable price tag of under $100. If you guys are interested, go click the link in my bio and go get yourself a pair.